Hi, this is Yuki Lover 1. I want to show you something that I got in the mail today. I got the Instax Fujifilm Mini 9 from a friend. He sent me this. And it comes with a bunch of stuff, and including the camera itself and some film. I don't know if I can still rotate this. Don't think I can. Nope. I cannot rotate once I get it going. Damn it! I wish I could rotate. So give me a sec here. I gotta open it up. This is awesome. Ooh, pretty. So the first thing you get, the Instax idea book. Nice. That is cool. Instant film, instant creativity. That is awesome. Shows me all the stuff that I can do with the film. What else is in here? Yeah. What is this? Oh. Then this one-handed is awkward. So, bear with me. Oh. Usage warranty. Of course, both in English. Nah. Well, yeah. In English, and which one is this one in? Oh, both of them are in English, I think. Yep. I don't know why it says gives it to me twice in English. That's weird. I think one's for the camera, the other one's for the film. The camera itself, awesome. Camera itself, and some film. And it's the white kind, the one that I've saved for the camera itself. So this is a Instax Fujifilm Mini 9 bundle. So it comes with the camera and some film, is what I meant to point out. So then, with the camera, doing this one-handed, still trying to do this one-handed is awkward. Thank you. Good. So tells you, and this is in Japanese, but I know how. It just tells you how you do the thing, how the camera works. The Instax Mini 9 instant camera booklet. Now it's like reversed, but it will be normal when you look at it after I've posted this. Yay! It actually comes with the sticker. Yay! Instax sticker. I've been waiting for that one. Another one of those warranty things. So you get 3 of those. Join the Instax community. Take a photo. This just shows you how to do it with the smartphone. That's kind of cool. That's awesome. Here's what the box looks like again, just in case. for the camera. Of course, 2 AA batteries, which you could get in stores. No matter how many times if they run out, if the batteries die, you have more batteries. If you have more AA batteries, it'll take it. A little cute little polka dot strap, hand strap. The close-up lens, which is this one. Ooh, that feels nice. Ooh, this camera feels nice. Along with the camera itself. That is awesome. And I'm liking the camera. It is Flamingo Pink. There's a little section right there, as you can see, for the little, for your strap to go to. On the back, right here, is for the film to go into, where my hand is. Your viewfinder tells you how many pictures, that will show you how many pictures are in there. Right now it says S because it's empty. Then on the front, shutter button tells you, that will show you which one is best suited for for how to take the picture in. You get to rotate this. The flash, this will allows you to, that actually gives you it senses how much lighting is in the area, so it will tell you where to put your little slider at. Then that little button right there turns the camera on. And then it pops out, and then when you want it off, you just push it in. Then that's your little viewfinder, your selfie camera, or your selfie lens right there for when you want to do a selfie with it. I hope you liked the video. First Instax Fujifilm unboxing video of mine. I hope you liked the video. Sorry it's kind of a little all over the place. First time doing this, so hopefully you can understand what I'm talking about. Bye.